Welcome to Databend Cloud. Today, we'll give you a quick overview to help you get started. We'll walk through creating a warehouse, setting up a new table, loading data, and running a query, so you can get a solid understanding of how Databend Cloud works. Before we get started, log in to your Databend Cloud account. A warehouse represents a set of compute resources including CPU, memory, and local caches. In Databend Cloud, you must select and run a warehouse to perform SQL tasks such as querying, updating, or loading data into Databend Cloud. For this video, let's create a small-sized warehouse and name it Demo. Next, let's take a look at the worksheet. This is your interactive SQL workspace in Databend Cloud, where you can write, test, and run SQL queries directly on your data. To create a new worksheet, click New Worksheet. If you want, you can name the worksheet. Let's name it Demo. For this video, let's create a database named Library and then create a table named Books. Each time you run a query in the worksheet, you need to select a warehouse. Let's select the warehouse we just created. Please note that you don't need to start the warehouse manually before selecting it. Running a query with a warehouse will automatically start it. You can find the database and table that we just created on the data page. This is where you'll manage your databases and tables in Databend Cloud. It's your central hub to view, create, and organize all your data assets. Let's go back to the worksheet and try a quick data loading. We'll load sample data into the table we just created, and then query the data from the table. We load a remote dataset into the table with the copy into command. If you want to follow along, you may find the SQL statements in the video description below. Now let's run a query to check if the data has been loaded successfully. That's a quick look at Databend Cloud. You can dive deeper to discover more powerful and useful features. Thank you for watching, and happy databending!